the difference between the main structure and the minor structure. We need to learn how to identify bear and bull trends on a higher time frames and understand how their components apply to lower time frames in a fractal pattern. For example, the black line on the daily chart indicates an uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. We should expect to see a similar pattern on lower time frames. However, it is important to recognize that markets have a fractal nature. During a pullback, prices on the lower time frame, such as the orange line, may create lower highs and lower lows, which is the opposite of the higher time frame. Remember what I said earlier? The market in real life never moves so smoothly to the upside or downside as one line like this, because it has an internal structure from lower time frames. To put it simply, the main structure refers to the larger price movements such as daily, while the minor structure refers to the smaller movement from lower time frames that occur within the main structure. So, it is possible when the primary trend is up or bullish, but you decide to sell because you see a break of structure to the downside from the minor or internal structure. This is considered a counter trend or trading against the trend. While it's possible to trade counter trends, it's important to recognize that the risk-reward ratio may not be as high as if you follow the main trend from the major structure. I know, many beginners get dizzy looking at the market internal structure because they are trying to keep up with all the twists and turns. It's like riding roller coaster but without the safety bar of a diversified portfolio. Now, hold on to your hat. Let me spin you around like a disco ball. Have you noticed the word chalk in this image? That's not some new dance move. Essentially, a chalk is the same as break of structure, but we use different terms depending on the context and the direction of the market. The term chalk refers to a reversal from an uptrend to a downtrend or vice versa. It's like when your bank account balance goes from positive to negative. We traders love using fancy terms to sound smart. But let's be real, we just want to confuse the newbies. And if you are one of those newbies, remember, a good chalk should come from a major structure, not a minor one. Unless you're into risky business, then go ahead and chalk it up.